Hey everybody, I'm grill lover and grill photographer Mike Lang. There is nothing more fun to me than a leisurely morning of firing up the kettle and preparing a huge breakfast feast. And that is exactly what we're going to do today. I've got 5 pieces of bread here in a sheet pan, and you can use whatever kind of bread you have on hand or bread that you like. And the pan makes it easier to soak up the egg batter because it's all flat. We're just going to take our batter and pour it lightly over the bread. With the bread evenly covered, the French toast is ready. The bacon's ready. That means the only thing left to get ready is the grill. Let's head outside. There's a couple things here to think about. Number one, a 2-zone fire, direct and indirect heat. Also, we don't want a super piping hot fire, so figure about medium heat around 350 degrees. We want the skillet to be hot, we don't want it to be scorching. When grilling something delicate on the grill like French toast, a skillet works fantastic. Put it over direct heat. Give it a minute to preheat. Close the top vent slightly to get into range, and that's direct medium heat, about 300 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here comes the bacon. I don't know if you're team crispy or team lean, but I prefer a little bit of a leaner, not as cooked slice of bacon, but you can grill them how you want. I'll store them in a foil pouch, which I'll then put over indirect heat while we finish cooking the French toast. Probably only gonna need about a minute or two aside, not very long. Just gonna take them off, put them on a pan, and do the second batch. French toast is a fantastic breakfast that can be set up like a buffet. Let everyone choose their own toppings and make their French toast their own. If there's anything you'd love to see me grill, leave a comment below, or share any tips of your own. Take care, grill lovers. Keep the flame burning bright.